Hi, my name is Jasper, and this is my little brother Kai, who created a game called Endangered Animal Rescue. This game was inspired by all the animals that are endangered or going extinct around the world. The goal of our game is to help repopulate some of the most endangered species by feeding them, breeding them, and most importantly, protecting them from poachers. Directions. This is the polar bear round. Every time you make a new polar bear by clicking on it, you earn coins. You can use the coins to buy more food in the shop. When the poacher pops up, you must click him fast to scare him away. If you don't click on him fast enough, he may take some of your coins or your polar bears. Once you make 10 polar bears, you can make it to the next round. This is the rhino round. You do the same thing as the polar bear round. Feed, protect, and make more rhinos. Again, once we make 10 rhinos, we can advance to the next round. It's important to keep scaring away the poacher. As you can see, we are on the last round, the turtle round. If you can protect the turtles, then you can win the game. If the poacher takes too many of your coins or your animals, it may be a little hard to win the game. Don't worry, you can always re-click the green flag and you can restart. We picked polar bears, rhinos, and turtles for this game because they are some of the most endangered animals. There are only 30,000 polar bears and rhinos left in the world. There are also several species of turtles that are critically endangered. As you can see, once you win the game, you have the opportunity to donate your coins that you have earned to one of the charities that are working to save these animals. You can choose from the World Life Fund, the National Wildlife Federation, or the Wildlife Conservatory. Feel free to also donate to them in real life. This is our game. Thank you for listening and for playing.